Today I'm going to show how to change the engine air filter on a 2022 Kia Telluride. Pop the hood. They've made it real simple here. We'll just open this up, pull out the old filter, and slide in the new one. That is so easy. Then you flip that to unlock, flip that to unlock, and then you just pull the old air filter out. This one actually doesn't look too terrible, but we'll replace it anyway because the vehicle is at 7,500 miles. The new air filter doesn't have the little lock tabs, but it does on one side have the pull, and it should still work fine because it just slides right in. That's in there nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. Close it, and there you have it. And that's all there is to changing the engine air filter in a 2022 Kia Telluride.